In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Max. Then tap on the edit icon, select the camera, and now click either on take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you and you would like to grab this picture, or choose photo from album. And now it can be always. Then pick the picture that you would like to apply, choose the application that you would like to complete this action with, and now you can customize it. So you can crop it, also you can move it, and let me do it for example this way. Tap on done and click on save. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to Max, so anytime he will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. This is how you can add photo to a contact in SONY Xperia 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.